In this module, in continuation with our VLOOKUP function, we'll try to learn about the fourth parameter. If you look at the VLOOKUP function, we have the lookup value, table array, column index, and range lookup. Now, in all the cases, we have given false for exact match, right? So if the match is not exactly the same as what we are looking up, then it should be basically return an error. But if it is true, it should be an approximate match. Now, what does this approximate mean? We're just going to discuss that part, okay, over here. So in this example, you have to use lookup to find the grade of each student. So what we need to find out is the grade of each of these students, and this is the grade table. Now, if anybody gets 0 and 60, that means in between 0 and 60, that means 59, 0 to 59, that person should get F. 60 to 69 D, 70 to 79 C, 80 to 89 B, and anything greater than 90 is A. So we have to find out this grade. Now what this approximate does is, suppose 90, yes, it will find 90. That case, it is an exact match. But if you look at 77, there is no 77 here. So this now, if I give an exact match, this will throw an error. So I will use approximate match. Then approximate match, what will do? It will look for a value which is lesser than this, but closer to this. Any value which is lesser but closer. So 70 is lesser and it is closer to 77. 60 is also lesser, 0 is lesser, but it is not close to 77. So we need to find the first value that is less than, which is less than this number, but closer to this number, right? So it will find out 70 is the number which is lesser, however it is also closer. So let us see how it works. So so how it works, let's see. So I'll put the grade here, I'll say is equal to, and first of all, we'll try to find it out using the false, that means exact match. So I'll say VLOOKUP, lookup value in the table array. So I'll just fix this up. Column index, I want the second column, and it is false. So exact match. So what is the output? Let us see. So this is A, fine, because it finds 90 here. But suppose if I drag this, you see, it gets D, but not all. Because 90 and 90 and 60 is the exact match. But others are not exact match, right? And since others are not exact match, it gives an error, as I was discussing. But if you use the approximate match, right? If I double click here, and here, if I simply say true, that means approximate, and say enter, this gives me A. Now it's correctly finding out me the grade. Now why this is C? Now suppose it goes from the below. If you look, it goes from the below, right? 77 greater than 90? No. 77 greater than 80? No. 77 greater than 70? Yes. So it has found out the first value which is lesser. So we go from down up. Okay, so C. Come to 85. 85 greater than 90? No. 85 greater than 80? Yes. B. 60. 60 greater than 90? No. 60 greater than 80? No. 60 greater than 70? No. 60 is equal to 60? Yes. So D. So this way, I suppose like a 55. Let's do 55 also, because that's one F we have. So 55 greater than 90? No. 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 Yes. And there we get the F. Now the problem with this is that it has to be sorted, right? And it has to be sorted in ascending order. Now, for example, if I sort this in a descending order. So how do we sort it in the descending order? We'll just select this, right? And we say data, sort. Sort by marks, for example. Smallest to largest is already there. So we'll say largest to smallest, for example. Right? And say, okay, my data is header. So the moment I do that, that error comes in. So it's not able to find it out. and it's giving me wrong results, right? F and all those stuffs. So you have to take care that the value which you are looking up here should be in a ascending order. So let's sort it again in the ascending order. And we get back. So please remember that, and that is where approximate match comes handy. So this you could have done using if also, but that would have given a very complicated nested if. But this is where approximate match comes handy, and this is what is the use of the approximate match.